this world of KC superheroes. Action! Panic! Panic! Danger! Danger! Beware! Villains have attacked the building. Citizens rush to the emergency exit. So guys, you know why I did this? Because that's good. So guys, you know why I did this? Because villains have attacked this Daily building, also known as the Daily Gulch. And now I'm gonna take you on a tour. So beside this building, there's a newsstand where you will find newspapers, magazines, postcards, and some comics as well. And now behind that building, there is something also known as these two dustbins, and this is being used as a broken window yard.
Broken window yard?
Yes.
Oh my god.
And but there's something more dangerous as well. You see, there's a fire that started near the electric box.
Oh my god, a fire started.
Near the electric box. And this is shown as New York sewer. And since the exit is blocked, there is a secret entrance. And look.
Secret entrance or secret exit?
Secret entrance.
I love the detailing boy.
This is what it looks like. So in here we have a vending machine. So grab a thing from the cooler and the receptionist will check you in.
Grab a tea from the cooler
Grab a
and
thing from the cooler or a water bottle. And this is the waiting area. While the receptionist is now
I like the reception area.
And this is the rat in the alley. And there are few boxes as well.
Rats in the alley.
All
Wow.
newspapers.
Oh wow, there's a pizza center also, I think.
Of the pizza center.
Oh wow, you removed the facade. Oh. It's a beautiful office here, this here.
Yes. So this is the heart of the Daily Gulch, where people are working. You will see our people working on some reports like this. City power backup, we need lectures. Spider-Man finally unmasked, and they usually get tired. Office stores to store
Wow,
office
office drawer.
equipment, and you will find there are also a few donuts for them, and a coffee making machine, and there's a water filter, and there's a bottle to fill some water. And now
Amazing.
moving on
Water
to the
filter
next
is looking
floor,
so pretty here. Your water filter is so amazing, boy.
and moving on the next floor, these are 4 choices. Wait, I have to explain them. And then this is the second floor, where our photographer Peter Parker is there,
Peter
and
Parker.
he is using this camera to take photos of criminals, and then he makes notes of them and asks them what crimes have they done, and then later he prints the notes in this printing machine.
He prints the notes.
Yes.
Or Xeroxes or take photocopies.
Take photocopies or anything you say.
Photocopies,
And here is a camera. You know guys, this camera is not only used in detective cases. It is also used in tragedies and etc. And now let's
I love the
go to
spider out there. There's also spider
Yes,
on the wall.
a
huh?
spider web.
Spider web or spider?
Spider web. And since he got tired,
He ordered some
and
pizza
now
out
let's
there.
move on the third floor. On this third floor, you will find our boss.
On the
Personal
top floor.
assistant's cabin, where he is working, and this is the boss who is working.
Wow, personal assistant's cabin. Oh wow, I love the final flow. Oh wow.
And this is the
I like the way there's this tanky, tank and
This is
wow.
the water tank where
Oh, wow.
water is stored.
you could have built a car out here. I like the taxi here,
Yes.
Kolkata style taxi or New York taxi.
Yes,
I like the way you build a taxi here. And this is what.
This is what the taxi looks like. Kolkata
Oh
style
yes,
taxi.
Kolkata style taxi. Yes,
And this
yes.
is Sandman, and he's trying to attack the taxi.
Oh,
And here is
lovely.
Daredevil, also known as a superhero, and he's trying to defend the taxi driver. That he's the moment he comes, he is back in action. Hooyah! Using this radio, computers are able to channel internet. And this is the satellite disk.
Satellite disc. I love the emergency exit thing. You can even open the ladder out here.
Yes, you can open the
People
ladder.
can go down with that.
Yes, and look, the fighter is trying to fight the the mysterious person. And look,
But actually, in downtown, na, but I visited a house in downtown. I use this ladder to go down. I mean, I was staying out there, and like I remember one of the weekends, using such a ladder to come down. So I like the way the ladder is being built, which is very nicely done.
And the last thing, look, here he is, the great villain, Dr. Octopus. And you see these long tentacles, he's trying to...
6 minutes away.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Kindly visit www.tusyaslegochannel.com. Thank you.
Thank you.